Yo, what's up everybody? Day 26, RC's across America, and today we're in New Orleans, and we're staying here at the French Quarter RV Resort, staying at site number 1. Let me show you guys around. As you can see, we got a long paved spot. You could even fit an extra car right here. Got a nice little chair swing. Over on this side, we got the electricity and water. Oh, and look, we got a sewer. That building right behind me is the main office, and here's our power. All right, so we got 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp. All right, so we decided to stay here because there's not a lot of options for RV parks here in New Orleans, but we're right here in the French Quarter, so ta-da! Look at all these spikes on top of the wall, so you know we're safe. And look, they got a lot of security. Feeling safe already. We're here.
We are?
Yep. And they got a pool too.
They got a pool?
Yeah.
How many days are we staying here?
2 nights.
Okay.
And I got 18 pack. All right, let's go check out what they got.
This is the dryer and this is the washer. Washer is $3.25, I guess.
These washer and dryers are credit card only.
Look what we saw.
Wait, Mommy, there's rules. This is a pool, and I'm pretty sure this is a hot tub.
A nice little bar right here. You got a hot tub. You got a pool. You got 4 bathrooms. That was the laundry room. That middle one right there is the main office. And I'm guessing this is the rec room.
So that's okay, and it didn't even move like a single bit.
All right, they got a microwave, fridge, sink, coffee in the morning, couches and tables, and a big screen TV. All right, I hope you enjoy your tour. We're either gonna go swimming or we're gonna eat. You'll see right now in this next clip.
What do you guys recommend? What do you guys recommend? We got crab boil, shrimp, and gumbo.
Isn't it kind of sketchy just parking underneath a bridge?
We got pasta. We also got, oops, I know we got Heineken's. We got shrimp and fries for Joshua and Jasmine. I got gumbo for Jeremy. The star of the show.
In a bag, inside of a bag.
You don't come to New Orleans, Louisiana without getting a crab boiled crawfish. Man, I'm so excited. My mouth is watering. And to top it off, I got rice.
And we got fish.
It's all mine.
It just sounded like you were kissing someone.
It's buttery, it's spicy, it's good, it's fresh too. It costs $5.99 a pound, so I bought 2 pounds because I thought 1 pound is not enough. This is how you eat a crawfish.
Cheers.
Day 26 is a wrap. Bye, guys.